Hey, I'm Tia Capers, and welcome to One Lady and a Truck, where I'm sharing my Sankofa Links mobile boutique journey with all of you. Get ready to enjoy interesting hauls, road trips, fun experiences, and good boho vibes as we truck around with Big BERN. Hey, good people, I'm back. I'm on my truck, as you can see, because I'm standing in the dressing room area. I came to the truck. I was on the truck yesterday putting up some stuff, but it got dark, so I thought I'd come back today and try to get some stuff finished. So I have this roll of like contact paper, look at that monstera leaf, that I'm gonna put on the ceiling up here in the dressing room area, and maybe a couple other places. I initially bought it, I don't even know how long this is, but I initially bought it to I guess put on the outside of the refrigerator that I never did buy on Facebook Marketplace. So I figure I got to do something with it. So I thought I'd just do that. Inside of the truck, we already have some stuff up to the ceiling. So really, it would be nice to just put it up here. I don't know. And I hope it sticks well. I don't know, my first time using it. So I have a tiny haul for you guys, because I know it's been a lot all about this big old Big BERN truck and stuff, and getting ready for my mobile truck launch, which was supposed to happen in November, but I postponed it to February. So still have a lot of work to do. So every day I try to do a little bit of something to move in that direction every day. So yesterday I went to one of my storage units and pulled out all of the used clothing that I have. So I have a little used section that everything will probably be like $10 or something. Just want to make it affordable for people to be able to buy something. So yeah, so I came and I hung all of that up. So that's behind me. I tried to put it in color order. So yeah, I did that, and then I moved around a few other things on the truck. And so I thought, I would come over today while the sun's out. I'm headed to visit my mom, but I thought, let me just spend at least an hour on this truck before I get on the road, because she's about an hour and 15 minutes away towards the mountains. So by the time I come back, it's going to be dark. So I have a tiny haul for you guys, for my home decor folk. So anywho, I was in Aldi yesterday, and you probably can't see it. Oh, this glaring light. But anywho, it's a candle, and it's white cedar and sage, but y'all, look at the leaves and stuff around it. I thought it was cute, and it's gold. So I just put this on the truck. I left it open to kind of give some type of fragrance to the truck without it being lit. Sometimes I like burning incense when I'm on here for a long time. Sometimes I do have just those little air fresheners. I have one behind me, and I have a cinnamon broom. So just to kind of make it feel nice and warm on the truck. But the big thing I want to show y'all is, I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace. I need to stop that, y'all. But look, I found a very nice chair that you guys are gonna like. So hold on, let me flip the camera. I'm still looking for a cushion for it, because the ones that I bought for my big chair, they're too large. So I need like an 18-inch round pillow that I've been scoping out Amazon, and I'm gonna also look in Burlington or some other places to see if I could find one. But in the meantime, let me show you what I'm working with. Dun, dun, dun. So here it is. Yeah, it's down there on my cord. It's by the front door right now. But yeah, so I bought this chair. Y'all, guess how much this chair cost me? $20. Now, I had to drive about 40 minutes to get this chair, but for $20, oh, I was all in. So yeah, so look at my chair. And again, this one that I have for the other chair is too big. See, it's hanging off. So that's too big, and that's okay, because I didn't buy it for this chair. And I did buy some pillows when I was in Goodwill one day. And these were brand new. So I got a couple of pillows. And I know I don't need another pillow. I know that. But I could not resist with the tropical leaves on there. So I thought, oh, these will be perfect to put on my truck. And I don't know if I showed you guys before, but I was on Amazon Marketplace and I found a butterfly pillow, and it's pink like the truck. So yeah, So that's what I've been up to. Just buying little stuff here and there to add to my, oh, and let me show you something else. Give me 1 second. Let me sit this down. So I did buy a pink floral wreath. I was in the Goodwill and I saw this and I thought, okay, now I already have a wreath for my back door situation, but I don't know if I'll need another wreath for something. I don't know. And I know my girlfriend Stephanie was asked to make me one, so y'all, I'm gonna have a truck full of wreaths. Maybe I can change them out, you know, as the season change. I don't know, but at any rate, I have a wreath, and I think I had a few other things. Let me flip the camera back. Okay, so a couple small other, you know, things that I found, and I don't think I showed you guys this, but I found this candle at, I've taken the tag off, so I don't even know where I got it from, and don't even know how much I paid for it. But anyway, it was pink and it had the little design on here, so I felt the need to get it. It smells really good, but it's not as loud as the one I just showed you that I got from Aldi. A few other things. I found this at Goodwill, and this is a monstera leaf, and I have a new collection of earrings that I just created the other day for a Kwanzaa event, a community event that I was invited to participate in with my jewelry and children's books. So yeah, so I found this and it was brown, but I painted it. I spray painted it the other day gold. So I like how that turned out. So I'll probably hang some earrings on that. I may have already showed you guys this butterfly. It was blue, but honey, me and that gold paint has been really cozy. So I've spray painted it. It's a 3D butterfly that I can hang jewelry or hang something on, or just hang it on the wall because it has a little hook on the back. And I don't remember where I got it from. I think Gabe's or somewhere. So I got that, and I think I had already shown you guys these, my jewelry displays, and look at there, I done messed it up, y'all. I'm gonna have to respray paint this, and I just did this yesterday in terms of messing it up because it wasn't scratched like that, but I got some more gold paint. I'll hit it back off. But anywho, I hang my earrings on here, and you can put a necklace on there, so it makes for a nice little display. So I have that. And I also have this. It's a vase, and look, I messed up on the spray paint. I don't know how I did that. I might hit it back off again, and I've already scuffed up the knees. I've been a little rough on some of this stuff, y'all. But anywho, when I spray paint that other thing, I'm gonna hit this back off too. But anywho, it's a planter, and I think I got it from, I put the tag inside when I took it off the paint. It was $12.99 from Marshall's. So, and I believe it was white that I went ahead and painted it black. And I found this sign here, and the back is still black, y'all, but it's okay. It says hello. I spray painted it gold as well, and it has flowers. I found this at the Goodwill for like $2 or $3, and I thought this would be cute to put on my truck. Hello. And I tell you, the possibilities are endless when you have some spray paint. And then I found some of these at Goodwill a while back. Some of them were already gold, some of them were black, some of them were off-white, and these just are little jewelry displays that I'm gonna use to hang some jewelry on. I have several of these. These are just some of the ones I'm showing you, but I have several more. And the last thing is this sign. It says, "Welcome to my she shed." And I thought that was cute. Put that out in the spring, hang it somewhere on the truck, off the truck, in the truck. I don't know, but I thought it was cute, so I bought it. It has the flowers on there, has the pink writing, has the little bicycle and everything. So, and it was $4.99. It's a metal sign that I got from, I believe it was Gabe's. So yeah, so that's what I have. I ordered a few more things on Amazon that I'm going to, it's not in yet, so I ordered a backup camera for the truck. I've ordered some more hooks, like gold hooks for the truck. And gosh, I forgot what else. Y'all, I gotta stop shopping late at night. I had something in my eye, messed up my eye makeup. My eye just finished running. But I gotta stop shopping late at night because I be forgetting what the heck I bought some days. And when the boxes just show up, I'm like, what the heck is this? But at any rate, I did buy the backup camera for my truck. I think I bought some jumper cables, or maybe I waited on that. Maybe it's in my wish list. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm buying little knickknacks here and there for my truck. So yeah, so that's what I have. And that's all I have for right now, y'all. I'm gonna work in this truck a little bit, organize some stuff, open up my blind in the back. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today before I head and get on the road. But I want to pop on real quick and share my chair mainly with y'all. The other stuff, I don't care about that, but that chair, y'all know those chairs are very rare nowadays and very costly too. So for $20, I felt like leaving the lady a tip. I didn't, but I felt really good about my buy. So yeah, that's all I have for now. So stay tuned.
Family, lo and behold, I went on Facebook Marketplace the other day and I found these beauties. 2 nice stools. They were like $15 each, practically new, or they may even be new. And now on to installing this contact paper on the ceiling of the dressing room. So I didn't really know which way it goes. So I put it up one way, then I went to look at it and I'm thinking, no, I think I have it turned around. So I ended up taking it back off and turning it back around just to make sure it didn't look weird or anything. And thankfully it was peel and stick, relatively easy to install and relatively easy to remove and replace or reposition. So after flipping it around and turning the leaves to where when you walk in the dressing room area, it looks better, I guess you could say. So yeah, I turned it around, and by the time I got to the other side, I was somewhat an expert to where I could kind of match it up a little bit better so it can be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And I must say, I really like the outcome of this. So once that light's on and the dressing room is in action, it looks really good, y'all. Hey, welcome back. I am back in the truck. Last time I was in here, I put the contact paper on the ceiling in the dressing room and on the other side of the dressing room. But what I did not do was this side, which is over the driver's seat. So today, I'm gonna see if I have enough of that paper to go ahead and do that side. So this is the roll. I don't know how much of this I have left. Uh-oh. I might have just enough, or I'm shy a little bit of it, so I'll just do at least this much of it, and I may have to order some more, y'all. So well, I don't want to order anymore because I don't really have a lot of stuff left to cover, unless I decide to take it to the doors. Maybe I will. So maybe I'll order another roll. That's what I'll do. So this is what it looks like, and it's a little cold today and on the truck, so I don't know how well it's gonna stick. Y'all look at my hair sticking out all crazy. I may have to get my heat gun and just put it on there. I've been using my heat gun to do the wrapping of the outside of the truck, which I'll show you guys later. But at any rate, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put up the rest of this since it's not that much left. I didn't realize how much I had left, and I'm gonna go from there. So I'll check back in. I finished it, but certainly not my best work, but it's cold. So I'm trying to go so I can go over to Habitat for Humanity to try to find a lampshade for this light. I don't really like that light. I'd like to find something wicker or something. I might have to make something. But anywho, I'm trying to rush over there before they close today. So I kind of did a rush job on this, but it's up there and it's okay. So, and it's just a dressing room, so I'm not going to freak out. Yes, and I did not have enough to finish this part of the ceiling, but I did this part over the driver's seat. So it still lets the eye carry over once you're in the dressing room area. So it looks better than it did. And I'm going to order some more of that contact paper and perhaps put it on some other areas in the truck, like this side door over here. That might look better because it's a little roughed up right now. So yeah, I also found this nice little covering for my light. So yeah, I'm a happy camper now. And the light covering is actually a part of a, I don't know what you call it, just like a candle holder or something. I just took the wicker piece off and then just kind of attached it to the light. So yeah, so it worked out. It was like $9.99 in the HomeSense store. So I had looked around on Amazon, but yeah, I settled on that. So it works. Thanks for watching, as always, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. I probably have, gosh, a handful more that I'm still in the process of editing, just kind of sharing my journey with my mobile fashion boutique and some of the nice, interesting things I've found along the way or bought along the way. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.